So now what I will be doing is like we'll just try to focus one by one. So you mentioned that first round, second round, third round, 3 rounds will be there.
Yeah, 3 rounds will be there.
First round is all about the assessment, which consists of 5 methods. And second round is about technical, third is about
Technical.
HR.
HR.
Okay. So let's put a spotlight on its first round, assessment. So first round you mentioned MCQs were there, aptitude will be there in the section 1.
Yeah.
Section 2 is all about the coding part, if I'm not wrong.
Coding part. Yeah, there will be code snippet too.
Code snippet, okay. So output snippet will be given, we need to explain.
Yeah, snippet will be given, we need to explain the output.
Okay, so third section?
Third session is coding challenge.
Coding.
They will be asking some basic challenge, like reverse testing.
Okay.
But they will not give like that. We need to solve it.
Until like, see, just give some example, just from the audience to get the idea. In the third section, like what kind of questions were there? Is it related to arrays, strings, or like what kind of questions?
Yeah, is it related to arrays and strings itself?
Okay.
We don't know what they will do.
Okay. So
they mentioned that there will be like level 1 and level 2 questions too. But I got level 1 question.
Okay. So individual with the basic understanding of
basic understanding, they can solve it.
Okay, it won't be like 4 or 5 level of difficulty like DSA, binary search. Like
no, they will not ask like DSA and binary search.
Okay, so third round all about the coding part, and fourth section.
Fourth round it will be like database question.
DB.
What database question? SQL, yeah.
Okay. So fourth section is all about SQL. Write the query.
SQL. Fourth section is SQL. Write the query, and only one question will be there.
Okay. Fifth
round,
communication.
Written communication.
Like how was it, Jashwant? Like fill-ups will be there. We need to fill the articles, kind of thing.
Yeah, we need to fill the article. They'll be giving like some mail kind of stuff.
Okay.
If you wanna keep a leave, so how you write a mail to the manager?
Okay.
Kind of sort of thing.
Okay, writing what we say, letter to a manager. I mean,
writing a letter to a manager.
Okay, any kind of questions like a passage will be given and we need to search the answer from that passage, kind of.
Yeah. It will be in problem solving itself. The first session.
Okay.
All data interpretation, verbal, all kind of stuff will come in problem solving itself.
Okay, so you mentioned about data interpretation, like pie chart will be given and we need to analyze that one and we
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Anything else like
that's it.
Anything like audio will be listening and we need to audio will be hearing, we need to listen and answer. And topic will be given, we need to write about that topic in 200 words, kind of thing. Anything?
Yeah, I said no. Written communication.
All right.
So, there will be 3 questions. I told you about 1 question itself.
Okay. So this all assessment, like what was the total time, Jashwant?
It's around 90 minutes.
90 minutes, okay. Camera was on.
Yeah, for each section there will be time limit.
Or timer will be there.
Section. I don't know the exact time limit of each section. Yeah, there will be camera and the AI will be protracted directly.
Okay. So it's like, how was the section part, Jashwant? Like once we're done with section 1, then only we'll be able to go to section 2, or like, how was it?
Once we're done with the section 1, we need to go to the other section. And in each between, we can't skip the questions too.
Okay.
If we skip, the question will be skipped. We can't go back.
Okay, so you're unidirectional then?
Yeah, unidirectional.
Sure then. So what else you get? What was the platform name, if you remember?
No, I don't know the platform.
No worries at all. So
yeah,
how was the assessment took, Jashwant? You need to go to the center, or is it remote assessment?
It's online itself. It's remote itself.
Okay, all right. So what else you are missing, Jashwant? Okay, you mentioned sorry to interrupt you. In the technical round, you mentioned coding questions were there. So we'll be giving options like write in any programming language like Python, Java, C, C++.
Yeah, it will be given like write in any programming language, but whatever the client is asking, they will give what if client is asking Java, they will train you in Java itself.
Okay.
But if the person fond of Python, he can't shift to other one.
Okay, understood. But correcting my statement, like in the coding part, we have option to choose any programming language?
Yeah, we have option to choose any programming language.
So I guess we're done with assessment thing. So how much time it took to get the result, Jashan?
It took me 1 day itself.
1 day.
I had written the test on Saturday, but I got the HR call on Monday for TR technical.
So let's focus on the technical part. So yes, how was your technical round interview experience?
My technical one is so good. He asked me first. I introduced him.
Okay.
He asked me what are you doing and what kind of projects did you do in your
academic
undergrad.
Mm-hmm.
And he asked me some basic questions of Java.
Okay. So Java, anything like OOPS, inheritance, polymorphism?
As I mentioned to you earlier, he asked me first about typecasting.
Typecasting, okay.
I need to show him how this typecasting works.
Okay.
And what are constructors, what is default constructor, and how it works, and what is encapsulation, how this encapsulation works, and he told me to write a Pojo class.
For sure. Okay, so it was online or is it offline? How was the interview took?
Yeah, it's all online.
So they mentioned to share the screen and write
share the screen and write the codes in online JDB.
Okay, so did they have their own portal or is it random open source ID? How was it?
It's random open source one.
Okay. So they asked about your intro and whatever you mentioned in the CV they mentioned, and they asked about your academic project and next was about Java and OOPS.
Java, yeah.
So anything like, apart from this, anything like situation based questions?
No, there is no situation based questions. But it was training, no? They are just focusing on basics itself.
Okay. So that's it, only these two they have asked?
Yeah, that's it in technical, yeah.
So how long it took, Jashwant? Like what was the time period of this year?
It's around 30 minutes actually.
Chalo then. So I guess we covered all about technical round.
Yeah.
So what was the time taken to get here?
Come again?
Like when did you get your result? Technical round results?
Yeah, next day itself. I got it on next day itself.
Chalo. So I just wanted to ask this question in the initial, like what is the eligibility criteria for this Revature drive?
Yeah. Actually, anyone can apply, but except mechanical and civil people.
Okay.
BE, BTech and MTech, anyone can apply.
Okay.
And it's batches like 2023 and 2024 are eligible. The percentage is of 75%. The cutoff is of 75%.
All in 10th, 12th and CGPA?
Yeah, all 10th, 12th.
Okay, what was the CGPA eligibility? 7,
7.5.
With no active backlogs?
No active backlogs.
So this was all about technical round. Next we will focus on HR round. So yes, how was your final round interview?
My HR she is very sweet. She asked me about only family background and she explained. After asking family background, she told me to introduce yourself.
Okay.
And asking me about what is your strength.
Okay.
What is your weakness? That's it. Completed. And she then.
Just sorry to trouble you. So how did you respond to that question, Jashwant? What is your strength? What is your weakness? How did you respond? Just curious to know.
Yeah, actually my strengths are I am a keen learner. Yeah. I used to learn new topics.
Mm-hmm.
So I explained that. And my weakness is I used to focus on one topic itself.
Okay.
When I used to learn, I used to focus on one topic. So I told that.
So that's it, No situation based question. Did you see after 5 years? What do you know about the company? Nothing.
No. Okay. Actually, the Revature is talent hiring company.
Mm-hmm.
They used to hire the talent and they deploy to other companies.
Okay, so basically it's kind of a mediator. So it will
mediator.
It will interview the candidates and it will allocate those candidates to a specific organization.
Yeah, specific company.
So, and that's it, right? Any allocation discussion happened? Anything in the HR?
No. They mentioned me that you need to come to Chennai itself. There is no option to relocate.
Okay.
After the client interview, you might have a chance to relocate. They told me like that.
So it's totally on-site, work from office.
Yeah, it's totally on-site itself. And before coming to Chennai, they will provide some names of PGs too.
Recommendation. Okay.
Yeah, for accommodation, they will recommend some PGs too.